Hello viewers, welcome to Codiforce. I'm Shri here. We are going to see a problem which is shared by Mr. Professor Peter Norwick on the Udacity C212 course. I think which is shared in the 7th module, I think the second problem. There is a problem which you need to solve a floor puzzle. Like 5 people are staying in a 5-story apartment and you need to figure it out in which apartment which person is staying. They are giving some conditions for that particular problem. I will share the puzzle in the description box. You can read it and you can watch this video, so you will get a better idea on this thing, because explaining the puzzle would take another few minutes. So I am straightly jump up to this program. Let me dive into it. First things first, we are importing itertools. Itertools is one of the most useful Python libraries where you can use combinations, permutations and so on. You can read the full documentation which is available on the internet. If you have any doubts, I will make a specific video on itertools as soon as possible. Just put a comment in the comment box. Next, we are going to define our function. For here we are using def floor riddle, and after that we are going to here we are declaring a variable called floors, which is a list. The square brackets tells this is a list. If we used curved brackets, it means it is a tuple. You can understand the difference, I think. For bottom, the ground floor, we are assigning 1 as a value. For top floor, we are assigning 5 as a value, and we are creating another variable called order, where we are using itertools dot permutations function, and we are considering the floors as a tuple here, tuple which has integer values here. And after that we are using a for loop. We are giving all the names of the people: Ravi, Mani, Lawrence, Ganesh, Karthi, in order. So if you read the program, read the puzzle, you will get a better idea like which people is staying in which of the apartment. There is a bunch of conditions we are giving here. If Ravi stays at the top, Ravi is not staying at the top floor, and Mani not at the bottom floor. Lawrence is not staying either the top or the bottom floors. Ganesh is staying floor ahead of Mani, and Lawrence and Karthi is not staying in the adjacent floor. Lawrence and Mani not at the adjacent floor. For adjacent floors, we are using a function absolute, because it may give a negative result that will ruin our problem. Like if somebody is staying in an adjacent floor, it will be like the difference will be 1. So here we are using it will be higher than 1. We are assuming which will be higher than 1, and we are using absolute here, absolute values here. After that we are closing the if condition, and we are yielding our results in a list: Ravi, Mani, Lawrence, Ganesh and Karthi. Finally we are going to print list of floor riddle. Inside the list we are calling our function. Okay, I hope you are understanding the basic concept of code, which is just 19 lines of code here. I'm running this. You can find the list of people where they are living in the puzzle. Ravi is at the 3rd floor, Mani is at the 2nd floor, Lawrence at the 4th floor, Ganesh is at the 5th floor, and Karthi at the 1st floor. This is the entire code, which will be way more useful for you to understand way too deep into the reasoning concepts in Python. Also in various languages too, you can use this kind of puzzles and try to write some code in Python or any other programming language that will help to improve your skills, also improve your logical thinking. Anyway, as soon as possible I will going to upload a full tutorial on Git as well as GitHub. Also, if you have any doubts in terms of itertools library, I will just drop in the comment box. I will try to upload a complete video which will explain about the itertools library. Okay, we'll see you in another video. You are watching Codiforce. See you again.